Good day. So today I'll be showing you how to perform one of the tasks on Meeds.io, and that task will be medium boost. So you first go to all tasks, then you find medium boost. So you click medium boost. When it opens, you read the instructions carefully. So let's go right to actually performing the task. To do that, you go to the first instruction and you click the link there to take you to Medium. So the link will take you to Meeds DAO publication. There you see a list of different stories that have been published on the publication, and you check the dates. The first one is 2 days ago. The one under it is February 1st. Now don't forget the instruction says that our post must be recent, less than 1 week old. So the first story meets our criteria the most, so we are going to choose to boost the first story. So we are going to go back to the first story and we are going to click it. We are going to open it. After we've opened the story, we are going to go through it and make sure that we understand what the story is talking about. Then you give it a clap. One of the instructions says you should interact, so you double tap on the palm sign, and to drop a comment you click the comment sign and you drop a comment. After we've done that, then we go and copy the link to this story. You can do that by clicking the share and copy link. After you've done that, you go to your own profile and you create a story by clicking on that green icon. We write something that is relevant to the story that I want to boost. So here I'm writing, I'm so excited about this new update. The old feature was a bit stressful. And after that, you add the link of the story, the link that we copied. Under it, you can just put any word. I'm going to write link. Then on that word, I'm going to add the link of the story to the word. To do that, simply highlight the word and go to the bottom of that place, that icon that looks like a link, and you click it, link, then you add your link. You paste the link that you copied from the Meeds public DAO publication. Then you click preview and publish now. So when you click publish now, your story will be published. Then you will now go to that story and copy the link. You go back to the story, you go to the share icon and you copy the link. After all that is done, we return to our medium boost and click contribute, paste the link there. After you've pasted the link, then you click contribute to contribute